This Hotchpotch with endive is an easy and colorful recipe. You can adapt it to vegan and vegetarian if you like to. This Dutch classic is normally prepared with potatoes, but sweet potatoes give such a nice flavor to it. Feel free to adapt it to your taste and to your requirements. We boiled the potatoes for 15 minutes, fried the bacon for a few minutes, put gravy together 3 minutes, and we heated up the smoked sausage for a few minutes. I hope you enjoy the process and maybe this is an idea for you to do something more with your dinner. Have fun watching. Thank you.